Alright, this is video 2 with how to survive with temples. I'm Cranky, obviously. We are avenging the Junior Monster 67. May he rest in peace. Every video...
Wow, he's Roman God on mine.
No, Roman God's here.
No.
The Junior Monsters...
That guy hasn't got a name.
The Junior Monster's here.
Anyway.
All proceeds of all of these videos will go for his fallen wife. You know, it's like a zombie widower program that we've set up, and it's a real important cause. At least I assume this is going to tell us how to level up. Did you get a level up?
I didn't get one. I fear we need to name this zombie widowed program.
Oh man. Like, I'm trying to think. The only word widow program is like a military thing, and you don't really want to be making jokes about that.
You don't no. You know, like legacy or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I like to apologize to Legacy in advance if I may have offended anyone.
Medkits.
Ah.
Oh, bro, that was good. Oh.
And what did he say about healing?
Medkits and shit. There.
Ah.
Oh, wait. Alright, hold up. I can craft something, I think.
He stole it.
How do I craft? I didn't steal it. I didn't steal anything. I had a rag before. Maybe I gotta find another rag.
Oh, here, a B button.
Oh, right.
Right. Drink.
Yes, there we go. Alright, I did something.
Oh, I can give you stuff. Yes.
I don't
need some healing.
Nah, I'm good, man. I'm good. I got a thing. You're running.
Yeah, you know what? You're better off waiting for me to die anyway, and then.
Why don't you just heal?
And giving me healing.
Oh shit!
It's because he didn't heal me.
Yeah, You can heal yourself. Didn't you pick up medkits and shit?
No, I didn't get any medkits.
Oh, didn't you?
Nothing.
How do I heal you? How do I give you stuff?
No, but I've got 2 bottles.
Oh, drop. Oh, give. Fuck.
Ah! I need a fire stick.
Give. I gave that to you. I gave you something. There you go. Okay.
I combined the flint and the stick, and what did I do?
Oh god, I don't trust this. Look, and drop set died here. Man, there's too many wrong things here. Alright, let's talk to him and suss it out. Can we talk to him? Yeah. Oh, it's just Roman. This is his friend.
Oh, this is where we need to go.
Oh, it's all over. Oh.
Oh, really, Roman?
And they cut off my leg, yeah. My own leg. Yeah, they cut off your leg, my own leg. Yeah, well, like, they're not going to cut off their leg, like, to pay tribute. Oh my god. Well, that's not very... There's a whole heap of shit ahead of you. Okay, follow me. Night is about to fall. And I have a fate. Oh god. Oh, I got a rusty something.
A rusty machete as well.
And 200 experience.
It's machete.
I still don't know how to level up.
Why didn't I get the rusty machete?
Oh, engine.
No, we need to stop.
No, we gotta... No, this way. This way. We gotta follow him.
Got this stuff over here?
No, yeah, but we gotta follow him. I'm assuming we have to keep this guy alive.
Yeah, we do. Just I'm stuck.
Oh my god. Temples, come back. We gotta get this guy.
I'm good. I found stuff where I can make an axe.
Oh. Speak. Oh my god. Why don't you tell it? Why did we walk a little up the street and now you...
Stop and talk. Can't we walk and talk at the same time?
Yeah, exactly. It's alright, I'm skipping all of this. We don't need to...
Yeah, I did it too.
Campfire.
Anyway.
How to level up? No. Oh, maybe. Okay. Oh!
Oh! God, we're such noobs.
I know. This guy really helps us
it.
out.
Got it.
It's almost like the... Whoa. That... Can you eat a zombie?
What does a zombie taste like? I don't know.
Do you become a zombie if you eat a zombie?
That's a question for our fans.
That's a question for our fans. All one of them.
Alright,
so I got the cave fire, so that's obviously what we needed.
I got it.
Oh,
Yeah,
and I got an achievement for my troubles.
Oh, I got an achievement as well. Yeah, hardware box.
I'm assuming we need to
Fine.
ignite.
Oh, yes.
What?
Oh, yes.
You need to
The
light...
shit I found, I crafted this.
I think, what do we need? Light a fire, unlock the required skills tree, and select a piece... Use a piece of flint.
Uh-oh.
Can you ignite that?
Yeah, I'm trying.
I don't think we have a piece of flint. Because someone combined it. Alright, let's go scavenging.
You may be right.
Light a campfire. You don't want to stay in the dark. Alright. No, this way.
Right.
We'll go back and we'll try and find a flint. God damn it.
On a brighter note, I've got a cool weapon. Use the machete to cut down bushes.
Oh.
And my axe. Because, you know, I made an axe. We can
Stop combining things for the moment. Okay, there doesn't seem to be anything. I still can't get through. There we go. Alright.
This break is brought to you by Gardenware.
Oh. Ah! Oh god, I'll let you kill him. Gardenware. Oh, that was brutal. What about his arm? I can start a fire with an arm, right?
Probably good. Wooden stick.
A big fork! Oh, what's this?
Oh, found armor. Incorrect. They're like...
Oh, yeah, recipes. Unfortunately, we still don't have flint.
He needs a fire anyway.
This game seems to require us to have one. Oh, there's something here.
Oh, there's something there. What's it there?
There we go. Piece of flint.
Let's go. Light the fire.
Alright, here we go.
Come on, baby. Let's go light my fire. Wait.
Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Drop set.
Kill the seagull.
Right, here we go. Why won't it let me ignite it? I got flint. Oh, did you get flint?
I didn't get the flint. Did you unlock the skill?
I got the flint. Piece of sharpened flint. Light a fire. Unlock the ability and select and use. Oh, right. Hold up. Maybe I need to select. Select? Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. You just need to select it. And I can take it to upgrade my fire thing, but I will not do that.
Okay.
Alright.
What was that for?
Man, make fire!
Keep them at bay, right? Man, make smash!
Aim light at them. Oh, God.
You received a flashlight.
Okay. I feel like that flashlight.
I'm not getting any of the stuff I'm supposed to receive, by the way.
Hit B. Are you sure? Hit B and see if it comes up.
Yeah, I'm not getting any. It's not.
Oh, well, I got a flashlight, so...
You got the flashlight guy. Alright, nowhere.
Okay, so where are we meant to go? This way?
There's other place where we can look. Oh, we need to fix the boat.
Yeah.
What's Ramon say?
I spotted a small village at the top of the island, right?
Oh, yeah, right.
Or how about we just sort of rest around the fire until it's daytime? I reach a small village. Oh, that's handy. Right, there was something that brought up a map before. Oh, here we go. If you hit the back button, you see a map.
Yeah, I got it. So we go up and around, I reckon.
Okay. Oh, can we get past all of it? Nope. I'll let you just try, like, kill them all. I'll provide 0 assistance.
Okay.
I'll... Ah! Stop spinning! Okay, excellent
I
work.
probably needed the machete to go through here.
Oh, yeah,
Good
right.
level design.
Ugh. Oh, there's something. A wooden stick.
Or should go away. Ah.
Are you getting attacked
There's a
by your
tire.
dog?
Yep.
Alright, let's see if there's anything to...
That's why they changed character.
Oh.
Ah, I can change to stick and weapon. Yes.
Oh. How do you change? Oh, yeah, right. Why? Oh, that's good. Hold up, there's a stick here. I'm picking up that wooden stick. Oh, yeah, you're right. You don't... Yeah, you don't get a second wooden stick. Here, we need to... You need to explore. You need to... Look at that! Look at that view! Just look at... Have you ever just...
Yeah.
Have you ever...
Stopped and reminded you.
Have you ever
No.
just... You know, stopped and thought how insignificant you are in the world and, like, how small you are? Look at that. Oh, that's just... Ooh.
Found the plans are open that.
Ooh. But you've already done that, haven't you?
I did.
Just
Did that
come...
myself.
Come, just...
Let's go fishing. Can we go fishing? I like fishing.
I just want to enjoy this moment, you know? Like... Just because we're in a zombie apocalypse doesn't mean we can't enjoy the simple things.
Yeah, and let's stop and enjoy the sunset.
Yeah, exactly. Keep out. That's not... There's more ostriches! What the fuck is with these ostrich wrangling zombies? Don't stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you.
You did. Hurt. I picked up something too.
I guess we can't go that way.
Hold up. Oh, gee, there's a zombie! I think that's one of the night zombies.
Oh, it is. God, they're tough little
Oh.
bastards.
Yeah, I think I meant to, like, hit him with a flashlight or something. Hold up.
You're in trouble.
Hold up. Are we going the right way? Oh. Fuck you!
I'm just gonna hide in your light.
Alright, where are we meant to go? Can you bring up the map? I'll defend you while you're...
I did. Well, that path up there was blocked off, so we're gonna go another one. I'm gonna go this way.
Oh. Fuck you! Oh shit.
Uh-oh. Regular ones.
Yeah, you do that. I'll keep these ones away. Alright, let's keep...
Good.
Oh. Fuck me. Right. Look, we're doing pretty well.
You're getting here though.
Yeah, that's right. I can survive you, revive you. Oh, fucking Soup Lake City. I keep thinking it's time. Like I can get one of the A things on. Oh shit. Better get my shit pushed in, Temples. Ooh.
Yeah, Sandy. You think when we found this guide, it would have been much more easier to have it all together?
Yeah, exactly. But it seems to be very convenient that every time we need something, it does appear. I hate the light. Yeah. Oh.
Oh wow. Ow.
Run,
No!
Dad. No! God damn it. That was all your fault.
No, your fault.
Alright, let's load this thing again. Jesus. We're back at Sunset Valley, are we?
Yeah, we're back at a fucking jetty. Go away, Porsche.
Alright, on, let's go. Come on.
I'm coming.
Fuck you! Nah, come on, let's go. Cool. They'll just
Stay out.
They keep fucking coming. It's alright. That's alright. I'll let them get close this time, because it seems to be better when they get close, because then I can, like, fucking just wallop them. Fuck! Yeah!
Yeah. Fuck you.
You're gonna be racist then, weren't you? Oh.
Grandpa. Hope.
Oh, yes. Murder is dissatisfying. Fuck off. I got a piece of flint. Ooh. That was delightful. Fuck you! Oh god, there's two of them now.
Super.
Oh, I'm in trouble.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, Jesus. Run!
Run!
Right.
We need to get through this area.
Oh, it's cranky back out! No! There we go. I got
Nearly there.
I got rid of one of them. Almost there. Oh! Fuck off! Have you got any health things?
Use your machete. No.
Tell me if that... Yeah. Just tell me if you see that thing creeping up.
I'm not behind again.
Right, let's keep going. Oh, jeez. Oh, God!
Oh, shit. I died.
Yeah, so did I. Jesus! We got mauled.
Right.
I feel like this
That's about 20 minutes again.
Yeah, just about. Just about. Where do we load? Let's see where we load. Alright, we load here. We'll keep going. We'll keep going.
That's alright.
Fuck you. Oh, shit. Oh, there we go. Now we seem to be getting through it a bit better. Alright, there we go. There we go. Oh! Sweet. Good work. Good teamwork. See if there's any, like, herbs or something. Have you got any health items?
No, I've only got 2 empty bottles.
Yeah, I got nothing. Yeah. Jesus. Just do all the work. Oh, I thought that one was standing. I beat up one of the...
Special white. Oh.
Fuck off. Alright, let's see if there's just something
A
around
lot
here.
of people have died.
Yeah, a lot of people have died.
Ah, here's...
Phil. Oh, shit.
Oh, crap.
My
No.
God, Temples!
I was trying to fill my bottles. You're supposed to... Yeah. Damn it.
I'm the only one with the light! Look, alright, we're gonna call that part
Fill
2.
both bottles and give you it.
We're having some technical
Alright,
problems
part two.
getting past this area. We'll call that part 2. Okay? Do that subscribing, liking stuff. Go to his channel because fuck you, that's why. I love